any of that. Like it's, I can just choose when to fucking like. I can choose. I don't need to come in. You know, you can just react if they try to stomp. You just shield grab it. If they knee, you just fucking go a little further back. If you try to read that, they just go a little further away because they can learn dash in.
So what do you think the good ways are? If you can't really just get some guarantee shit, what's the best way to make him uncomfortable then?
LRA star Fox, easy. It's actually correct. Or just pick up Wolf yourself. I'm just a hater. The thing you have to do is you have to just get like, you have to CC their laser like on the ground and then try to like run a grab. And if you can get like a grab, you just have to kill him. And I wasn't killing him, so that's my fault. But.
Yeah. It just feels.
Dude, that's like why I want to play. That's like why I wanted to play DK because it just feels like I hate trying to zero to death optimally as Falcon.
Yeah.
Like if I have to tech chase like first of all, like
can you reaction tech chase Wolf? I don't think you can.
You can. You can. It's just it's a reaction tech chase and it's never guaranteed.
And he has a hitbox right after the fucking.
Well, yeah, he has a hitbox that's like you can CC, but if you CC, he just double shines.
Yeah.
And like I don't know. His combos are a hell of lane too because he just all he does on Falcon, his main strat is literally to put you in a 50-50 whether or not you're gonna tech on like the first hit or the second hit, and then he just jab resets you.
Yeah,
and it's not even like an option select that you can do. You just miss the tech, and if you miss the tech, then you know.
Yeah.
Well, anyway,
your only ways around that then are to DI and SDI so that you do a little platform cancel instead of having to tech or on the edge of the stage or on a platform. But that's
like a slide off. Yeah. Like, I can do slide offs. It's just it's
you have to put in so much work, and you're not going to get it. You can't be 100% consistent with it.
Yeah, it's just I hate playing the game against people that don't have to put in as much work as I do. It sucks. It's definitely me bitching and just being like, yo, damn, like, fuck you, where's your privilege at, bitch? You know, it's like the same thing. Anyway, back to the stupid character. Another character.
Now we got two. You don't like Diddy?
Don't like Diddy.
Oh, what's wrong with Diddy?
Yeah, Ivan's record versus Diddy's kind of bad. He lost to Luck earlier this year.
That's funny.
And I mean, it's just one of his least practiced matchups too.
He could probably.
Maybe. I don't think he was confident. Well, Ivan doesn't feel that confident when it comes to doing side B shit.
He should. It's hella good.
I know it's good, but it's like if
he should have shine grab there.
I don't know. Maybe he's lost from Kais is still giving him haunting memories and shit.
Yo, there's been plenty of sets where he's lost because he just flashes off stage and kills himself.
Yeah, he should be better. That was good.
That shine worked. Okay.
So if there's a matchup VP's really good at, it's definitely Wolf. He plays Switch and has a decent record against Switch.
Really?
Yeah.
It is what it is, man.
Oh. That's great direct.
And Diddy's
up tilt, up there, yeah.
Pretty hard to adjust. Oh my god.
Punishing the slide off, that's something you don't see every day. I don't see it every day.
I hate. Why are we hyped? It is like, I don't even have my watch on.
It's 350. It's 305.
305? What the fuck? How long have I been?
I assume six for winner's match. And then, what do you want? Do you want that on recording?
Man, Diddy's double jump is so ass.
Yeah. Diddy's hella fast, especially BPs.
Yeah, that's the that's the upside.
Yeah, you can't be going for reset. Yeah, your guarantees though.
Oh, that was an interesting. Okay.
He's gonna try to poke him.
Yeah, I don't know if that up air to the banana was intentional, but
probably not. I don't think we're seeing that good.
I don't know, man. It's always hard to tell how high IQ Diddy players are when they do some clever like hit into banana on the opposite side to say shit.
Right. I could have jab reset.
Yeah.
Maybe down smash might be better.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Just up air a lot, yeah.
Ivan's not getting nearly as much punishes as he needs.
Yeah, he's not. He's also just losing every bit.
That was just a straight up whiff punish. Like Ivan whiffed and DP converted.
Yeah,
I mean,
Diddy being hella small and fucking squirrely is really helpful in this matchup. It's just like, because you can, if you're small, you can kind of navigate around lasers, especially if you have an option out of crouch that's like good. For example, with down tilt. His down tilt can beat bayonet, which is nice.
Yeah.
Really help because it's pretty low to middle.
Yeah.
Good
He
option.
crouches when he does it, and then the bayonet's at Wolf's head basically when it comes out. So
Yeah, that's pretty good.
it comes out above him. Yeah, the bayonet covers the above options. It doesn't do a great job at covering crouch.
Yeah.
We could probably get top 8 for like 4:30.
4:30.
This is the 2
Oh.
out of 4 winners quarters. 4:35 maybe.
Just stream the rest of losers until then.
We also have them all on recording. Honestly.
Bro, I
A
got
what?
17
We have them on
games.
recording.
Yeah, no, I mean just put them both
I got
on.
17
Put all
games.
losers on recording.
Seven
You want to start
tournaments.
amateur?
That's fire. That's what I expect.
Yeah.
4:30.
That was good.
4:30.
That plays me.
Because I want you guys to still keep watching matches.
Oh, wait, Ivan's already down stock.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, BP is really good at like running off and then babysitting. I mean, Diddy's really good at just doing that. Yeah, he's got him. That was a good tag. You gotta hit these. Yeah, he's got good estimation.
That was a weird stuff there.
Yeah, Ivan's just gonna get destroyed. That's just how it is.
Just Kevin.
Okay, backdoor peanut.
That was interesting. I didn't think that the. God, I'm trying to remember what just happened.
Yeah, he was trying to go for it.
Because we want to start top 8 as soon as possible. 'cause
Wow.
Both
The shiny to rubber bear work.
Reslib and Racine need to make their flight.
What time's their flight?
So, I'll start by...
6?
I'm starting as soon as possible.
Okay.
Or I can ask each of them if they want like a, half-hour breather, something like that.
How's Reslip doing?
It'd be Carm.
He has to play Ion and Leaders.
Okay.
Wait, how is he gonna commentate top 8?
Force that.
Wow, he got fucked.
That was brutal.
Hey, if there's any chance you go Marth here, that's a solid ass
Hey, what stage was that earlier?
play. Smashville.
Ivan's fucked.
Doesn't even matter. I'm just mad.
It was Smashville.
I'm just mad.
Who's the player?
Parker. Kevin, yeah, Kevin.
Where's Peter?
Peter?
Did he suck?
He's somewhere around here.
Peter's running the secondary team.
He's over there.
Did he do bad yesterday? Did he not enter?
He's playing
No,
Kevin.
Peter didn't. He beat Carm and winner.
He's playing Kevin in
I forgot.
quarters.
That was an odd.
Material stock, baby! If he takes another, it averages.
What the?
If he takes another, it averages out to 1 per game.
Yeah, really.
Be a hard ass prediction. DP's gonna like freestock him, and then Weezer's gonna come up, or not Weezer. Fucking Weezer's gonna come up and hug him. He's gonna look kind of awkward. Clean play. Or shine, yeah.
My bet's on.
Alright, so my bet's already off.
Yeah, I should have taken you up on that. What are my odds on
Dude,
that?
I just pretty good. Like maybe 3 cents.
Oh, why didn't he shine, man? No
You wanna
confidence.
like?
Yeah.
Yeah, good shit. That's pretty good.
Oh man,
Oh. Try to do hella money matches.
Just
I
kept
fucking damn it.
could have shined that. Oh.
Alright, he's actually doing alright. He's fine.
You living?
Lol. Nut.
9 live.
Yo, what the fuck? There's no shot. Yes! I thought he had it.
Kick him!
Kick him in the net. You can tackle it. You got it. Apparently, I just found out you can tackle Diddy Banana.
Wait, seriously?
Yep. I had no idea.
Yeah.
That's why I did it.
Yeah.
Hey, Diddy mains. They never told me. Only seen told me. That's my homie.
Nice. Okay, Ivan can actually.
Alright.
I can get on the border now.
You ready to see this choke? I have a feeling.
Bet you a Bucky doesn't choke.
Bet you a bug.
Hey, choke doesn't mean lose. Check doesn't mean lose, man.
I mean, loses the game.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll bet you that.
That shit
everybody gets the 1, and then
That's he misses angle. Okay. Oh, I would just. Wow, weak kid. That was smart.
Oh god. Okay, I'm about to lose.
Ready? You're gonna give the percent 43.
Up throw. Yeah.
Look at that shit.
Fucking just grab the. What is going on? What is this?
Alright. You better get your wallet out, homie. That shit flying straight in here. Oh no! Did I call it or what?
I'm calling. No, I'm calling.
Come on, Ivan! Go, Ivan.
Hopefully, BP just fucking has D for it, I swear to God.
You rolled in? What a 4-year-old.
I'll take that $1 to the bank. I'll take my pride over that.
I lost a fucking $1 because we seen Tiz after 3 seconds. Holy shit.
I didn't deserve that, man.
Look at him. He's so calm. He doesn't realize he lost me $1. What a fucking asshole.
I love it.
Hey, he's cool. He lost me $1, so he's kind of not cool. That guy.
I think he's pretty cool.
Nah.
Damn, Palm got 30 by Redwood.
Huh?
Palm got 30 by Redwood.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oof. Nathan's doing pretty good.
Oh, I would have had to free his bracket.
Oh.
No. Into Spencer? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I'm not getting top 50 this year. Oh, God damn. I've got like no good one. that was my goal. I want to come here and do well and then see how it goes. But shit, right?
Shit happens, man.
Shit happens.
It's alright. Who'd you beat in the pool?
No one. I beat DJ and Phil's fine. So. Yeah, just like wins I should get.
Yeah.
No. I was almost lost to DJ. That was funny.
Let's see. Oh wow, we got fucking Punk Panda versus Run Gunchu. Punk Panda can actually win this.
Yeah, Brad. If Brad loses, he's throwing his controller. Easy.
Oh really?
Probably. That's my theory. He's hella disappointed he lost to Swift.
Yeah.
He got 30 by Swift.
Yeah, Kyrie fucking won.
Swift is SoCal, right?
Yeah, he's Lucarius from SoCal. They did Lucarius.
Showtime.
Previously Showtime.
Oh, Swift or Showtime. Okay, I was nowhere aware of that.
I fucking nerd out. Holy nerd. Look at how fast that shit is, man. I want that.
Yeah, it's fucking. Oh yeah, best part, no end lag on the fucking dash attack when it's off stage. Like literally none.
I feel like people don't really put Diddy in top 10. I think Diddy's like 9.
I can see that. Didn't they put him at like?
I don't know. I think a lot of people put Diddy in top 10.
I think Diddy's hella good.
He's pretty good.
Oh, what the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
Oh,
no.
No! He's back.
Yeah, he's.
Let me just get the quick ass bad DL. Yes. Bitch. This pussy. Bitch.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh.
That's the second time this set he's done that.
Yeah, Gimble is hella lame, man.
He just took a dump. Oh.
Yeah.
Does he have the banana? Oh. If Ivan just gets the banana and Blaster camps him.
Easy.
Good. I don't see that happening. I don't see him
You
grab
can
it.
Blaster over the banana.
Ivan
You can
hasn't.
Blaster while you hold the banana.
Ivan hasn't fucking grabbed the banana this entire set.
Yeah, we're seeing really out here looking proud of it.
I mean, Ivan just has bad item game.
Maybe really should have learned that by now.
Holy shit. Oh no.
Standard.
That was good.
That was the most standard looking
Oh, I thought it
wolf
was gonna
combo I've
die,
ever
though.
seen. That was cool, but it's like the most standard wolf combo on the planet.
Yeah. Nah, it was good. Fuck out of here. So, yeah, calls him on that bitch.
Yeah. Fucking run past it. Oh, that was a brutal.
Nice 2-minute game.
Yeah.
Dude, we could have done like 3 or 4